Hi everyone, we are on our 4th week of self-isolation here in Canada. There are few cars on the road, streets are empty, schools, universities, parks, recreation centers, and non-essential stores are all closed. Dining restaurants and food courts in the mall are closed as well. We are all fighting against COVID-19 and we are all in it together. During this unprecedented critical time, have you realized that all we need the most is food and hygiene products? Have you thought about creating a quarantine care package for your loved ones? Here are some hygiene products ideas. Toilet paper, preferably individually wrapped, disinfectant spray, disinfectant wipes, 3M N95 mask, facial tissues, toothbrush and toothpaste, dental floss, hand sanitizers, wipes, loofah, body wash, hand soap, and shaver. You can also make a toilet paper cake. Before you begin, make sure you've washed your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Layer the toilet paper, wrapped ribbon around it, and tape it over each other. Avoid using tape on the toilet paper. And decorate your toilet paper cake with hygiene products. Ta-da! Here is a cute little quarantine care package, toilet paper cake idea for you, adorned with all essential hygiene products. If you've made it this far, please give this video a like. If you found value in my video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more quick and easy DIYs. Remember, you and I are on the front line. Stay home and save lives. Nurses and doctors are the last defense. Be well and keep sparkling.